As the title of this video suggests, you know where we're going. But first, we gotta go there. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm number 5. Ooh, always the same.
Good world gone bad.
Right. Oh, behave now, girl. There we go. Let's do a bit of this then. Turns out you actually have to wait for 2, not 4. Which is great. I can't remember, I saw a van right in the corner. So park around, loads of room. Oh, you absolute swear word. That truck is off. You better kick him out. Lovely rocky stuff. Now to get out of here, you can probably see how awkward this is because you are facing frontwards and I am going backwards. I think I might have to take a shot at this. Cheers, buddy. Take it easy. Right then, get back to the yard and have a bit of a wash. That sounded wrong. This is a happy video! And I don't know why I'm laughing. This is a happy video. We're going to a truck show in lockdown-ish. Lockdown-ish. Because, well, we're not locked down in our county. I don't think Malvern is locked down. So, yay! It's all good, yeah? I mean, the event has been allowed to go ahead, so it can't be that bad, right? Anyway, let's go wash the lorry. Just a sneaky video. Best wash he's had by. Chassis nice and clean. Happy days. And we're almost off. Bloody noisy thing, that ERF. Waking up the entire villages. I mean, it's 4:30, so they should be awake anyway, but that's not the point. I gotta say, I did not expect to be back here this year. I did not expect to be here this year. I'm pretty sure it very nearly didn't happen as well. Peterborough wasn't happening this year, Shepton wasn't happening this year, at least for me. I know they did actually go ahead. Hereford was cancelled, I think. Call's postponed. I didn't go to Western, I wanted to go to Western. Didn't go to Devon, I wanted to go to Devon. I think this is my one and only show this year. we posing for pictures. Strictly no hair horns. A rule that absolutely nobody obeys. Ah, this is the dusty bit and where we all get our professional photographs. Anyway, I'm going to pose for pictures. Official pictures. Ooh, and just like that, Truck Fest is over. Yeah, didn't really do much filming here. I gotta say, hasn't been much of the show. Bloody hell, he's fine. Yeah, haven't really filmed much of the show. I was planning on doing all these really epic cinematic things, and then we had a few beers. Then we had a few more beers. And yeah, you know how it is, so nice little short one. If you want, like, come to these shows, just come to these shows if you want to properly see it. There's no way one of these videos can possibly show you everything. So yes, thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'm sure I will see you in the next one. Nice little short one for you now. She's so clean. Just came back from truck show. I think the only way to keep her clean is to drive a different lorry.